Okay, this is how it's open. I do the old hatch, and then I'll just use that tripod to need to tap the tripod and stuff. So do that soon. Nice air froggy taking off there. Wow. And there's go. This is the touch motion things. Let's go hang on my suitcase because it's got the animals in there. I bought my food. We gotta get going. We got turf. Yay! It's going so exciting. Yay, the foxies. Well, let's get Foxy up. Hello! We had a brilliant stay at this hotel. We love the rest of the hotel. 10 out of 10. We love this hotel. We'll definitely come again. Oh wow, that's just there's something to wake up to. And just the day we did so many things. We went to when they arrived, we went to the ARB shop, like Asian shop, and then Monday we went to London Zoo, and then we went on Monday we went to London with the cruise, and Tuesday we went train slotting, and then had a rest, and then Wednesday we went to the World Fair, that was cool. And then Thursday we went to Northholt, and then went to Tubby's, that was fun. Karaoke was fun. And Friday we went to train slotting. Now it's safe to go home back to Borg now, and we got everything like so everything's safe. All the plushies that we bought. Everything's safe in there again. Then ours, they're just books that I kept in here. Well, on the room tour, we forgot to just say there was a fridge that we utilised quite well. We left the butters in there because we don't need the butters. I've got butter at home. To go back to you one more bit. We don't need that drink, the rest of that drink there. You know, the ball sports one, I don't know where it went. Oh well. It's nice to go. Let's go, isn't it? The H-Face like to wear. That's the whoosh. And then get ready. Wait, let's get ready. We are ready. We're sort of like nearly ready to go, really. The H-25, that's the